Before we end the course, let's take a more in-depth look at the real-world scenarios and implications of the prototype pattern itself. First off, like all design patterns, implementing every object in your project as a prototype is not the way to go and can even be overkill. The key is to seek out the places where it really makes sense to use it and use it correctly. Common scenarios are going to include when classes to instantiate are specified at runtime, avoiding a class hierarchy of factories that mirrors the class hierarchy of your products, and when class instances can only have a small, finite combination of state. If you are familiar with other creational patterns, specifically Builder and Abstract Factory, you've probably noticed that they share several implications with Prototype. First, concrete prototype classes are hidden from the client. Second, as we've already noted, products can be added or removed at runtime by the client. Thirdly, using cloned objects with varying configurations means your system is going to be more dynamic through this kind of object composition, and your class hierarchy is going to be cleaner and more efficient. Lastly, prototype objects can be used as parts in a larger object creation design, which can also increase the modularity of your code. In summary, we've learned how to create an abstract prototype class that enforces a cloning blueprint on adopting classes, how to distinguish and implement shallow and deep cloning, how to set up a prototype manager for storing and retrieving prototype objects more efficiently, and finally, how to identify and work with the prototype pattern in real-world scenarios. If you've enjoyed the course, please leave a rating, and if you have any questions or just want to connect, feel free to drop me a line. As always, happy coding.